All right, we're about an hour after close now. We're going to look at the SPX trades that we took today and some that were available that we're not taking. We'll also look at an overview of where we're at as on a macro level, um, and hopefully find some areas where we're able uh, to look for setups on SPX coming tomorrow. So we gap down, which means we usually get a play in the beginning, potentially as just a little push back up, which usually happens, which we did right here off this inside bar. Entry was 4270 and 42 cents. So here, let me just do this. Entry was right here. Usually I will only ride it to the actual median of the VWAP, but because it was early, the volatility was high, I wanted to see if we could get closer to taking out the initial high, which we did right here, but I believe I got out at this deviation right here just to be safe. You don't want to take too much into account or go too heavy into a trade this early in the day. So we had that one, and then after that we did have the failed 2 up right here, which is great, and I played that down to sweep the lows, which we did by about 30 cents or so, a little more than that, about $1.30. So that's 2 trades, one long, one short. And then I kind of sat on my hands for a little while. Sat on my hands for even through this off the VWAP. These VWAP trades can really be something awesome or really hurt you. My next trade came right here off this failed 2 up off the top of the VWAP and the top of the envelope. So played that down to sweep the lows. Got out right around here. Right in this area right here. Sorry, the magnet's on, but right in this area right here. I did not hold all the way through it. And then that's 3 trades. We had another one down here after we bounced off of that sweep. So down here, I actually got out really early on this one. I think I was just trying to protect profits at this point, so I got out a little soon. I got out like right here, and it ended up running all the way until 2 p.m., which we had seen some more volume come in, some more volatility pop out, which I did not play this. This failed 2 up here, went to a 3 bar. So I did not play it. I did not play this one, and I did not play the rest of the day. So really just those trades came through today, which were, to me, very, very easy trades. Nothing to stress about too much. And then on MNQ today, let's see, can we do ranges on this? I forget if we could do ranges on this. Oops. Add 22. Let's see what happens here. No, does not like it. Okay, that's fine. I'll show you guys in a 3-minute. On here. Oops. So if we go to MNQ, very similar situation for trades. I don't take into account the envelope though, because because there's no pre and aftermarket really, the envelope doesn't move very much, so it's pretty useless. I do take into account though the VWAPs off of the initial open, which is here. Now something you can do though is if you want to change the settings, if you're using the strategy, if you're part of our group, then you can change the settings to different time frame. Some people even, I believe, go down to 1. I don't know if this is the one that can do 1 hour. Yeah, it's not. So I usually keep it on daily, but it does get, spanned out when you're doing futures. But we rode below VWAP most of the day until 2 p.m. And I played some stuff off the mid VWAPs. I played this to this, this deviation down here off this inside bar up to this recent swing high. Um, I lost a trade here off the VWAP bounce down. I was expecting it to sweep the low, this recent low. It did not, and I got stopped out like right here. And then that's when the 2 p.m. surge came, and then we kind of fizzled back out. So not much to write home about on future's sake, but SPX did really well. So that's a huge plus. Pretty simple day, not too much to talk about other than that. Tomorrow, though, looking at this kind of, this is the 3-minute chart, kind of move up. We had our gap down and stuff. I honestly don't know what to expect tomorrow. I'm not gonna try to really guess. So if we look at the daily, we kind of closed. I hate this kind of close where it's right in the, it's just a straight doji. It's just right in the middle. I don't. I mean, we literally could sweep the lows and then go higher. We could come all the way back down. See, here's the thing: we've reclaimed, price has reclaimed a lot of these EMAs that I use. But the problem with that is we're still not crossed up on them. So, we're bouncing here, bouncing all the way down here. And then we really fell off here. I don't know what we're going to do. I would like to see it come back down to 419 and then kind of go if we're going to keep going, or if we're going to go down to 419, go sideways and keep going down and make new lows. But really not much to guess about. We just got to see what happens over the pre-market. All right, guys. Thank you.